Hello! Right now, we will go through all of the stages of rendering the scene. The first step that you need to do is open 3ds Max with your scene. After that, you have two ways how to complete the render of your scene. The first way is through the Turbo Render plugin using the RenderApp. The second way is through the web interface in your account on the website. In this video, we will take a look at rendering through the Turbo Render plugin using the RenderApp. Make sure that the RenderApp is running and you are logged in by entering your username and password from your personal account. Now you need to configure the scene as you would render it on your computer. As well as in the render settings, you need to set the name of the finished file and format. Before you send a scene to render, you need to check the scene name and the camera so that it contains only Latin letters and numbers. After that, in the Render tab, you need to choose Render using Turbo Render. The plugin window opens. In the plugin, you can see the status of the RenderApp. Both of the lights should be green. If you see a red light, then check whether you are running RenderApp and whether you are logged into your account. On the right, you see a field to select the camera, the number of servers, passing of materials, scene testing, and the Start button. We will begin to check the scene for any error. Click on the Check the Scene button. If you have any missing resources, the plugin will tell you about it. If it should be that way, then click on the Ignore Missing Textures button. If the plugin has identified any other errors, you need to fix them. If you do not know how to fix the error, write our technical support group a letter by visiting the website, turborender.com, or in your account. They will always help you out. If the scene has no errors, it is time to send the scene to the farm. And to do so, place a check mark by the camera that needs to be used. Set the required number of servers. For example, 10 for the sequence and 1 to 5 for the image. We recommend you to choose based on the complexity of the scene. The more complex it is, the more servers. When you are ready, click on the Start Render button. Detailed instructions on how to choose the number of servers for the render is on our channel. When you are ready, click on the Start Render button. The plugin itself will pack all of the necessary files in the archive and send them to our render farm. Do not close the plugin until the file is uploaded all the way. Once the plugin has finished sending, the RenderApp will accept the task. Now you can close the plugin and continue working on the project. To start the task, go to the RenderApp. A window with detailed information about the task has opened up in front of you. In the window, on the Task Properties tab, you can see the task status and cost. On the Parameters tab, you can see the parameters with which you started the scene. On the Details tab, you can see which servers render your scene and how many there are. Here you can find the log files of each server in case something goes wrong. Click on the Start Render button. You will see a full list of your tasks. The status of the active task changes automatically. As soon as the render is finished, the farm will pack the resulting file into an archive and it will create a download link. You just have to click Download Files and go to the folder specified in the RenderApp settings as the download folder. If you have any questions or you encounter difficulties during the render, you can write our technical support group a letter by visiting the website turborender.com or in your account. They will always help you out.